The role of art in our life. Art has a lot of forms. Visual arts can be seen in museums and galleries. In performing arts, people use their voices and bodies to convey a message. This form of art includes things like music, dance, movies, theater, circus. Art helps us to understand people who lived many years ago. Art explains the meaning of beauty and harmony. We are surrounded by art in our daily life. Art reflects and enriches our inner world. We can't imagine our life without art.